Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw a plot using functional method in MatplotLib. So in previous tutorial, I show you how to set up a MatplotLib and introduction about MatplotLib. Okay. So let's start about our tutorial. So for plotting a graph, you need to import MatplotLib and NumPy. So I use import NumPy as np. Okay, and you need to draw a plot. For that you need to use the matplotlib package. So import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so I execute this shell. Okay, right. Now over here you need to declare, let's say we have a graph, we need to a x coordinate and y coordinate, right? So here I declare the x equal np dot, let's say I using the functional method. For that I use linspace. In linspace function you need to define the starting point, I say 0, ending point 5, and step I say take it as 11. Okay, so I print the x. Okay, so here the starting point was 0 and ending point 5 and step is 11. So here is the starting point 0 and ending is 5, and here step is 11. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so now I need to declare y. So for that I use y equal x square. Okay, so now I print it. So it's the square version of x. Now I need to draw a plot. So for that plt, as I matplotlib.pyplot I define as plt. So that for that you need to write plt dot plt dot py plot x comma y. Okay, and you need to show the plot. For that you will command here plt dot show. So let's say here is the x coordinate and y coordinate, and as it is the our graph over here x and using y. Okay, now it's does not mean anything that there is no x level, y level and graph title. For that I need to let's say use title and level. Now for setting x level, right here plt dot x labels level. Okay, let's say x level. So this is x of value. Okay, I write 0. Okay, that's the thing, x of value. Okay, and you need to set the y value. For that you need to write plt dot y level and set y level titles actually. So y of value and now if I set any title in there, so for that plt dot set title, so title graph of tutorial. Now if I execute this shell, then it shows the things of x level coordinate value and y level coordinate value, and as well as it is the set of title of this graph. So that's the actual tutorial to how to use functional method in Matplotlib, and as well as set titles and labels in your graph. So thank you everyone, see you next tutorial.